Congratulations to the two EBL finalists, Vienna and Klagenfurt. Through passion, focus, hard work, and talent, both teams have proven to be at the top of their game. It's a time when 44 players, 4 coaches, team personnel, and most importantly, the loyal and encouraging fans can live in the moment. A moment where tomorrow's success is a dream and today's actions are reality. A moment where a lifelong passion will be rewarded. A moment where excitement is built, where hopes become reality. A moment that is often dreamed about, but rarely lived. A moment when the dedication and hard work of one team is rewarded with the hoisting of the EBL Cup. It's all about the moment. April is EBL time. The finest month, the best game, and the highest reward. EBL style. Three teams, one goal. The third team, the game officials. They will not win a cup. They are not defined by wins and losses, and do not measure success by a goal scored or a goal taken away. But don't underestimate the passion, the drive, and the dedication of each of the EBL finalists. The reward is measured in accomplishment, integrity, and performance. A reward for all game officials that started in August in the drive for the cup, and is fulfilled by a few in April. The game officials as well will live the passion of the game during the 2017 EBL Finals. They will hear you, see you, and live the game with you. They're keepers of the game, and there's nowhere they'd rather be than right here, right now, on the ice. On behalf of the EBL, we wish all three teams all the best. Rise to the occasion, take it all in, and make the best of the experience.